Hi everyone. So today we'll learn about the to some problem in LeetCode. Let me quickly go to the LeetCode and then I am in problem section. Let me scroll down. Yeah. So this is the problem. Let me click on it. So this is the very first problem of the LeetCode. So in this problem, what it is basically, so we have given one array and then we have given the target element. So in this case, we have given the array of 2, 7, 11, 15, and then target element is 9. Now our output should be 0 and 1. So if you add these two number, then it will it will like generate the output of 9. So let's understand. So what we have the array. Let me quickly go over there, and then we have the array of 2, 7, 11, 15. Now what we have, draw, and then so what we have an array. So it's 2, 5, and then sorry, 2, 7, 11, 15. Okay, where is it? Okay, and then 2, 7, 2, 7, 11, and then 15. So this is the array. Now what we need the target element as 9. So we need target equals to 9. Now how to solve the problem? So if you closely notice, we have this uh, so indexing, let's keep it indexing 0, 1, 2, and 3. So if you'll see, if we add 0 and 1 element, then 2 plus 7 will give us 9. And if we add 2 and 11, then it won't give us the output. If we add 2 plus 15, then it also won't give us the output. So let's understand the brute force algorithm. So what we will do, we'll add to loop basically. So int I equals to 0, I less than basically array dot length and then I plus plus. Now this will be the outer loop. Inner loop, what it will do, it will start j2, and so we'll start I from here, and then we'll start j from I plus 1. Then so this is the j basically I plus 1, j also less than a dot length, and then j plus plus. So what we will see, so we will create a variable with sum, let's say, and then we will add a of I plus a of j. So if our target will match to sum, then what we'll do, we'll return one new array. Basically we will return one array having the index of I and j, right? So let's understand in the diagram. So we have this array, right? So we have the array like this, right? 2, 7, 11, and then 15. So first time our I will be here and our j, basically j will be here for this loop. Then we'll see a of I and j. So for this time we'll see sum equals to 2 plus 7, that is 9. So this condition will true. Basically whenever this condition will true, what we'll do, we will break it and then we will return this 9. No, we won't return it, will return the I and jth index. So likewise, we will solve the problem. How I will solve the problem with the hash map. Now, let's say what was our array. Our array was 2, 7, 11, and 15. So our array was 2, 7, 11, and 15. Now, what if we wanted to solve this problem in order of n? For that, we basically need one hash map. So how through hash map we can solve the problem? So what we will do first, I will add all the element in a hash map with a key value pair. So basically we will add 2, 7, 11, and then 15 with the let's say keys, and then value will be 1, 1, 1, and 1. So what we will do, we'll create one we will create one loop, and then so what was our target? Our target was 9. So what we'll do, we'll create one loop, and then we'll see, we'll take the first element. So let's say we took the 2, and then we'll check 9 minus 2 is there in a map. So 9 minus 2 is what? 7. 7 is there in a map? Yes. So that means 2 and 7 is our pair, and the 2 index will get it from array, and the 7 index will get it from um, hash map. So let's do one thing. We'll store the hash map with a key value pair. Key will be the element, and then value will be its indexing. So let's say I'm indexing it like this: 0, 1, 2. Just give me a second. Let me erase this one. Okay. Now let's see 0, 1, 2, and 3. So let's say some other day we wanted to find target as 14. Now what will happen? So we'll draw one loop. So in our first element, uh, yeah, I don't think so. 14 will be there. Let's see. Let's make it 13. Right. So in our first iteration, we have 2, 7, 11, and then 15. In our first iteration, when I is equal to 0, then element is 2. Then what we'll do? We'll search for 9 minus 2, not 9. So we'll search for 13 minus 2, 11. It is there in a array. Yes, 11 is there in array, and then index is 2. So what we will return, the 2th index, like this index is 0, this index is 1, this index is 2, this index is 3. So what we'll do, we'll return the 0th index and then the second index. So this is the solution. So yeah, I've written the very basic code of the optimized solution. Let me quickly navigate to you like what it's actually doing. Okay, so I have written the code for the optimized solution. Now let me quickly show you how it actually working. Let me quickly take the snap of the code. Right, we have one for loop. So if you see, this is basically the for loop. Right, now let me quickly put it as a black pen. Yeah, right. So here what we have done, we have created one hash map basically. So let's say we have created this hash map, like key and then value, right? So let me show you what was our input for this. Let me go to console. Yeah, so our input was 2 7 11 15, right? So our input was, oops, so our input was 2 7 11 and then 15. So we created one hash map, right? And then our value from I to 0 till the array of array length. Then what we are checking? We are checking the this is our array. So we are checking whether it contain the target minus this key. So likely we explained. So what we are actually checking? So our target is 9 minus. We are checking that 9 minus number of I, like nums of I. So in the first index, basically zeroth index, whether this 7 is there in the hash map. If it is there, then what we will do, we'll creating a uh, new array with the index of the one element and the other one is already in the array. So the in our case, what will return? It will return like this. So it will return first index and then 0, 1 and 0 it will return, and then that will be that will be authenticated by the LeetCode. Yeah, so you can see our test case is getting got pass, and then so yeah, it's got passed just now, and then I think we are good now. Thanks for watching.